bad, but fuck it. That wide retriever for some more too.
Don't be L7s.
You know what? Okay, one doing a 30 play drive. Hey, this shit easy. I'm on the side. This shit easy. I go high below you. Whoa, hey.
Y'all know what happened last Friday. Stop listening to yourself. Talk to yourself.
Yeah.
Let's get it done. Family on two. 1, 2. Family. Yo.
Come on there. Come on with it. All the way here.
Memphis 10.
Memphis 10 in this
Dirty Dime.
You already know what's up. Yeah, Uncle Neely in the house.
Let's go, Pregame show from New Orleans, all the way from New Orleans.
Hey, why are you walking? You better hop. Let's go, baby. You on that ground.
Good day.
They haven't ready.
Hey, anybody?
Hold on.
Hey, don't say nothing. Just go back.
I just gotta make sure he gets that shoulder.
Let's go. Ready? Go.
Don't let him backdoor me. Do not let him backdoor me. Get off the ball. Boom. Post turn it. Catch.
Ready? Go.
There you go. Go.
Try to get your hands inside the ring.
I gotta get my leg back.
Come on now, take care of you. Hey, inside though, inside. There you go, good. He got you outside, my guy. Go. He's trying to open up a little bit. Inside. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's get to it. Okay? Tilt, quick, great. Tilt, quick, great. You guys gotta get lined up and wait on the offense, okay? I don't mean, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Wait. What you are, who you are, what you will and will not tolerate. What you will and will not tolerate. I'm tired of coach talking about this. I'm tired of coach saying I can't do this. I'm tired of the DB doing this. Today is about you. What are you going to tolerate today? What have you had enough of today? What are you tired of? What you had enough of? And show everybody why you here when we make a mistake. Practice with that intensity today. Practice with that intent. Physicality, that's a non-negotiable. That's a non-negotiable. Use the techniques to your advantage. Use their techniques to their disadvantage. Get your scout reports done. Know who you can and who you can't. Everybody got it? Hey, there's only 2 things that you can do today that I want you to think about today. Only 2 things you can do today, all right? You can either prove me right or you can prove me wrong. However you think I feel about you, however you think I think in you, you can either prove me right or prove me wrong. Those are the only 2 choices you can do today, all right? This is what type of day it is? It's game day, right? It's game day. So game day mindset. Game day mindset, all right? It's a new day. New everything, all right? New situation. Let's move on, and it's time to go out here and ball, all right? Let's go ahead and
Y'all boys really into this shit. This shit goes as we go. So make sure we keep the ball off the ground. We're extremely intent on who we got going and we out there dominating. Dip slide on 2, 1, 2. Dip slide. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I ain't play football in the hood. Y'all know how to create y'all nigga. Caleb.
Coach Jay talking to you. He's gonna see us.
Locked in. Okay. Locked in. Stretch. That's all it is. That's all it is.
Come on, bro. Hey. He ain't new.
Huh?
He ain't new.
Yeah, all right.
Give me some. Show me.
You know, man, did you hear his breakdown?
Yeah, I didn't hear what he said.
He said, don't talk to yourself and listen to yourself.
Yeah. For real, I did. He said, don't listen to yourself,
But talk to yourself
today. Yeah.
Well, how do you do both?
That's the right one. Don't listen to yourself, talk to yourself. Because if you listen to yourself, you're going to be like, I'm sore. Nah.
Tell yourself what you want to hear. Tell yourself what you need to hear.
Yeah, that part, Britt.
Yeah. Don't tell yourself what you want to hear. Tell yourself what you need to hear. But like my vocabulary ain't there, so I can't say it. But like if you listen to yourself, your body tell you I'm sore. So
Yeah.
don't listen to it. Talk to yourself. Tell your body no the fuck you're not.
Yeah.
And you know who told me that?
Who that?
Coach Snibbler. He told me, huh? Don't listen to yourself. Talk to yourself.
Let's do it.
Hey, you know what, though?
You know what? The difference between winning and losing is 18 inches. You know what 18 inches is? No. This is between my mind and my heart. Huh? 18 inches. 18 inches.
This guy, bro. This guy learning me English, bro. Telling you.
You know how to say catch a body, though.
I'm finna catch one right now. I better have the camera down. Let's go!
Work day! Work day!
Competition Friday. We're gonna compete, we're gonna go hard, we're gonna get physical. We're gonna find out who's who and what's what. We're gonna build a winning team. We're gonna start that today. We've already started with it. I love it. I love it. I love what the coordinators have been implementing. I love what coaches have been implementing. I love what everybody, support staff, has been doing. Now it's on you. What y'all gonna do better?
Work!
What y'all gonna do better? Y'all thought they challenged you in the meeting this morning. You was challenged by the coaches. You was challenged by the coaches. I want to see how you respond. Break them down on you.
Come on.
Let's get it.
Let's go, DC.
Come on. Hey, let's have fun. Let's do what we came here to do. Hey, work on me. Work on three. 1, 2, 3. Work. Let's go. Stay square. Stay square. Not set. Set. Go. Go.
Harris, managing partner of the Cochran firm Jackson, is one of the premier litigators in the United States. Dedicated to furthering the values of Johnny Cochran, Harris believes attorneys have a duty to restore voice to the silenced and give justice to the wronged.
The reason that you are a member of the Cochran firm is that you share my commitment to excellence to our clients.
Harris's success is credited to a set of core values shared by his team of attorneys, professionals, and staff.
You've proven to me that you care and you want to do the best job for all of our clients.
I'm here to make sure that they have a voice.
Named one of the top 10 trucking lawyers with a $150 million settlement, Terrence Harris continues to prove that he is committed to obtaining the best possible outcome for his clients.